Good afternoon and welcome to the opening of our two special exhibitions here at the Museo de Intramuros and Centro de Turismo Intramuros. Today we unveil A World Below the Walls, an exhibit on the archaeological artifacts of Intramuros located at Gallery 1.
When the world begins to forget who we are through arts, we reclaim our stories. We affirm our identity. We pass on our soul to the next generations.
Each piece reflects not only artistry and craftsmanship, but also the evolving role of women in shaping our history and society. May this exhibit inspire us to look deeper, to value what has been entrusted to us, and to continue protecting and celebrating our cultural heritage for generations to come. Mabuhay po ang ating kasaysayan at ang yaman ng ating bayang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang lahat ng kababaihan sa mundo. Mabuhay ang Intramuros at mabuhay po ang bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.